I am once again asking what your guys' issue is. You guys right by the door? Alright. Hi, Mr. T. And hi, George. I know you're the one whining. George, are you okay? Right? Oh, are you guys too warm? Oh. Is that you guys' reason for being upset? It's just too warm? Yeah, there's Mr. T, first rooster. Well, actually, technically, George was the first rooster. He was a baby. Got him when it was a baby. Just didn't realize until yesterday. Indeed, that one's the rooster. And the rest are hens, except for Mr. T, of course. Aww. Yeah, you guys are warm. Well, you got water right there. You can get a drink. Now that I'm in here, they're not whining. Are you guys lonely? George? George? Yeah, his feathers right there look a bit messed up because I think Mr. T is attacking him. Oh! Hi, Lily Roo. Oh, you're such a fluffy girl. Yes, you are. Hi. Oh, I think that's my tapioca right there. Hi. Will you let me pet you? That's a no. That's okay. I won't push it. I will admire your beauty. Oh. Oh, I thought it was George that was whining. Is it Ollie? Yeah, so you can see the spurs right there on his ankle. And his comb's a bit more floppy. His tail kind of looks like it's sickling right there. So yeah, this right here is a wooster. Y'all clucking? Oh! What is your guys' issue? Oh, is it time for me to leave? Yeah, I think it's time for me to leave. I think they want me out. Alright, bye-bye.